Hello, am I audible? Wait, I think so. Okay. Um, well, जो पहली फर्स्ट जो ट्रेड्स लिए थे लास्ट दोनों के दोनों स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गए. लेट मी चेक वंस की एनालिसिस ही गलत था या फिर क्या गड़बड़ा गया. बट जो भी हुआ अभी मेरा एक जो भी वैल्यूएशन अकाउंट था वो गया, जिसमें सबसे ज़्यादा लॉस थे. बाकी एक बचा हुआ है जो सौरभ के पास है, -$50 के आसपास, 45-50 डॉलर्स के आसपास उसमें लॉस है. तो ये दो ट्रेड्स लिए थे बेसिकली, दोनों एनालिसिस था. मतलब एक को अगर मैं छोड़ भी दूँ क्योंकि उसका एनालिसिस इतना कुछ खास नहीं था, बट दूसरा एक ट्रेड था जो ठीक ठाक एनालिसिस के साथ लगाया था, बट उसका भी स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया, राइट. एंड या तो मतलब दोनों गए. भाई साहब एनालिसिस ही गलत गया. जो ट्रेड अच्छा था बेसिकली उसका एनालिसिस ही गलत है, एक तरीके से दूसरी डायरेक्शन में ही बगी हुई है मार्केट. या मतलब उल्टी डायरेक्शन में. कौन सी मार्केट की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं? CAD CHF वाली की बात कर रहा हूँ. मैं उसको बाय किया था, वो बेसिकली बाय लगाया था मैंने, तो स्टॉप लॉस हिट करके डायरेक्शन दूसरे उल्टी डायरेक्शन में भाग गई भाई वो दूसरी तरफ. तो बेसिकली कल या परसों ही लग गया था स्टॉप लॉस इसका. आई थिंक परसों ही लग गया था. आई एम नॉट श्योर मैं कब लगाया था, ट्रेड भूल गया मैं. बट एनीवेज आज है सैटरडे, आज क्लासेस नहीं है. मैं आ गया हूँ AC02 थर्ड फ्लोर एज़ यूजुअल. और यहाँ पे यूजुअली वीकेंड्स पे कोई होता नहीं है. आते भी हैं तो एक दो लोग आते हैं. इट्स जस्ट दे डोंट से एनीथिंग, कुछ कहते नहीं है. आई कैन जस्ट सिट हियर. फैकल्टी लोग वगैरह या फिर TATFs वगैरह YFs वगैरह की जगह है, सो it's fine. I get my usually I get my chai as well. जब भी मन करे I can just make it and you know keep having my chai and study. I am planning to study. 9:30 बज रहे हैं सुबह के. I've had breakfast and then it's time to work on some assignment and then few other things. बाकी एक भाई स्टॉप लॉस जिस दिन हिट हुआ परसों की बात है, नॉट रॉन्ग, या परसों की बात है एक्चुअली. मेरा मत्था ख़राब हो गया था. पूरा दिन डिप्रेस्ड, एक तरीके से डिप्रेस्ड क्या मतलब, आई एम नॉट इवन श्योर उस दिन को कैसे पुट करूँ. आई वॉज वेरी डीमोटिवेटेड, डीमोरलाइज्ड. और मतलब एक अलग ही इमोशन जगता है ब्रो जब ऐसे होपलेसनेस की फीलिंग आती है ना, कि गया जो एक होप था वो भी छिन गया. बिकॉज दिस वॉज लिटरली माई 6th or 7th consecutive losses. So you can imagine what it feels like. I mean, मतलब मैं यूट्यूब पे लोग बोलते थे भाई कि you'll be a trader when you are able to get through the phase. जब तुम लगातार लॉसेस करते हो उस फेज़ के थ्रू अगर तुम निकाल ले जाते हो, that's when you actually start becoming a good trader. क्योंकि there is, as far as they are concerned, सबके में आता है, if I'm not wrong, this particular phase. and मैं I was always like कि most likely मेरे में नहीं आना चाहिए, हमारे में ये phase. but I mean this is, I'm wondering क्योंकि देखो क्या हो रहा है. I have a feeling कि because the market fundamentals are changing. Okay, रिसेशन आ रहा है हर जगह, कोई ना कोई बुरी न्यूज़ आ रही है. जॉब मार्केट, USA, कनाडा, इधर उधर से हर जगह से कुछ ना कुछ हो ही रहा है हर दूसरे दिन, राइट. आई हैव अ फीलिंग कि मार्केट जो है ना अभी मोर इट्स रनिंग मोर ऑन फंडामेंटल्स देन इट्स ऑन टेक्निकल एनालिसिस. सो क्योंकि अचानक से पिछले 1-1.5 महीने से मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर जो है ना वो एक तरीके से चेंज सा होने लग गया है. आई हैव अ फीलिंग क्योंकि अपने जो पूरा सेट ऑफ रूल्स है ना, इसका सिस्टम जो था पूरा उसका ना बेसिकली जो भी तुम्हारा कहते हैं एक्यूरेसी जो था ना यार, वो बहुत हाई था. मतलब इतने आई थिंक जितने लॉसेस मैंने इसके एक लगातार देख लिए हैं 6-7, आई डोंट थिंक पिछले जब से मैंने फॉरेक्स स्टार्ट किया है, मैं गिनने लगूंगा ना जेन्युइन ट्रेड्स लिए. आई डोंट थिंक मेरी पूरी इस 4-5-6 महीने की फॉरेक्स की जर्नी जो रही है, ट्रेडिंग की तो 1 साल हो गया ऑलमोस्ट, प्लस 1.2-1.3 मंथ्स, बट द आइडिया 1.1-2-3 ईयर्स बेसिकली। बट फॉरेक्स में जब से आया हूँ, इतने लॉसेस जितने मेरे पिछले 1 महीने में हो गए हैं लगभग लगातार 5-6-7, इतनी मेरी पूरी फॉरेक्स जर्नी में नहीं हुआ है भाई। सो यू कैन इमेजिन, मतलब हमने पूरा बैक टेस्ट किया था, हिस्टोरिकल देखा था, राइट। सो हमने हिस्टोरिकल देखा, उसके हिसाब से हमने अपनी एक्यूरेसी 80-90% सोची है स्ट्रैटेजी की। एंड देन उसके अलावा मतलब हमने फिर उसको लाइव भी किया, हमने 2-3-4 महीना लाइव किया, उसमें भी एक्यूरेसी उतनी बनी रही। हमने गलत ट्रेड्स लिए शुरू में, इसलिए हमारा निकला नहीं फेज़ वगैरह, बट हमने अडाप्ट किया। बाय द टाइम हमने रियलाइज़ किया कि हमें क्या करना है, मार्केट ने अपना रुख बदल लिया। सो basically so basically yes, that's it. And I'm not sure कि यहाँ से क्या करना है। तो आई वाज थिंकिंग, थोड़ा होपलेसनेस था, सोया वगैरह, पूरा दिन वेस्ट किया उस दिन का। I woke up the next day yesterday and then re-evaluated everything, and I realized कि the only way to get through this particular phase is to focus on the fundamentals basically. So that was the first thought. I thought of learning fundamentals sahi se, as in it's not going to be very difficult to learn fundamentals. The idea is trading में सब लोग कितने economists हैं out there, right? A lot of people understand fundamentals, but it's just not easy to make money through fundamentals either. So especially anyways, the idea was maybe I'll mix things up, right? I just thought maybe I should actually learn fundamentals. I'm not someone who I personally don't believe in fundamental based trading. Sometimes it works, right? Just that regularly इतना न्यूज़ वगैरह भी नहीं आता, and then you never know how some कुछ fundamental news वगैरह are obvious कि how they'll affect the market, but not all of them are obvious, right? And then who knows for how long you'll have to wait for a news or some new data to come up for I don't have any knowledge, but just I don't like how uncertain it is, I don't like the nature of fundamental based trading, and I have a feeling it's just not it's just dependent a lot on other people, as in a lot of what other people will do, and then I'll get the opportunity. I mean, it's just very very external kind of so I mean, yeah, definitely my understanding of economics needs to be strong, etc., and comprehensive. It'll take time. I was ready to do that, but by the evening of the same yesterday day, I realized maybe I should. So there, I realized I came up. I thought कि दूसरा तरीका ये है, either I go with fundamentals, I learn fundamentals, or I basically because bigger time frame, because the market is being affected by fundamentals. मैंने पहले, even though I have tried moving to the smaller time frame, I couldn't find anything. Maybe I should try again, see अगर if I'm able to transition to something, some new system, some adjusted system on the smaller time frame. If that's possible, then I should do that. And then so basically that led me to just try a few things out, and okay, I'm not sure how the fuck I was able to do it, but somehow yesterday evening, analyzing the failures, basically just 6-7 failures हुए हैं, analyzing them and trying to determine one method जिससे मैं losses कम कर सकता, या फिर मैं वो ट्रेड्स ही ना लेता, या फिर मैं लेता तो उस पर भी प्रॉफिट बनाता ऑन अ स्मॉलर टाइम फ्रेम. एंड व्हेन आई एनालाइज दोज एंड देन डिड अ फ्यू मोर, मैं इतना बैक टेस्ट नहीं किया, बट फ्यू ऑब्जर्वेशनल थोड़े बहुत 1-2-3-4 मैंने ट्रेड्स और एनालाइज किए. आई वॉज एबल टू बेसिकली एडजस्ट द करंट स्ट्रैटेजी जो बड़े टाइम फ्रेम का है ऑन अ स्मॉलर टाइम फ्रेम, एंड इट सीम्स इट्स वर्किंग. आई एम नॉट श्योर. It might work, it might not work, I'm not sure. So far, because I haven't, I see the idea is backtesting ka I'll backtest this, but the idea is I'm no longer sure ki if even if I backtest and it works in the market, I'm not sure if it'll work the next right now, because the market structure is changing, right? So I'm not confident ki even if it has worked, it had worked, let's say for the past 2 years. I'm not sure if it's going to work in the next few months, next 1 year, next 2 years. That just it's just a realization कि market structure is changing. There is some sort of transition happening in the market. कोई ना कोई transition हो रहा है market में. That I can literally see happening on the chart. Okay, and because this strategy is failing too much, and it's just too obvious. It's just going almost 180 degrees, and so on the bigger time frame at least, I'm not sure. So idea is, I mean, I need to, so मेरा मतलब इवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट जा चुका है, कंपटीशन अकाउंट में भी मैंने ये जो ट्रेड्स लगा दिए थे राइट, इस महीने का जो था, एंड ऑलमोस्ट एवरी सिंगल टाइम जैसे 10% इज़ योर टोटल ड्रॉ डाउन, 5% इज़ योर डेली ड्रॉ डाउन. तो मैं लगभग 5% तो नहीं, 4.99% के आसपास का मेरा स्टॉप लॉस होता था. सो 2 ट्रेड्स गलत गए हैं एंड आई वाज ऑलमोस्ट ऑल इन. सो 4.99 विच इज़ ऑलमोस्ट 10%. सो आई डोंट इवन हैव द स्कोप. सो बेसिकली इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 10% का मेरा ड्रॉ डाउन रीच हो गया है. सो I can't really take any more trades on that, क्योंकि अगर ऑलमोस्ट $8,000 बेसिकली 80,000 का 10%, ऑलमोस्ट आई एम प्रिटी श्योर $7,500 के ऊपर का स्टॉप लॉस. ओ मेरा नेगेटिव है 7,800, मे बी 7,900, हु नोज. बट द आइडिया इज, अगर मैं इफ़ आई टेक एनी मोर ट्रेड्स, मेरा जो स्कोप ऑफ स्टॉप लॉस होगा टू नॉट बी डिस्क्वालीफाइड फ्रॉम द कॉम्पिटिशन, दैट वुड ओनली बी समवेयर बिटवीन $200 to $300. और इतना रिस्क सिर्फ लेकर आई कांट मेक मनी, आई कांट गेट इन टू द टॉप लीडर बोर्ड. देयर इज़ वेरी लिटिल स्कोप for me to actually do anything with this account anymore, and that too जब मैं खुद experiment कर रहा हूँ still. So I'm giving up on the competition for this month as well. The next I have 23 days, मतलब पढ़ाई वढ़ाई प्लेसमेंट वगैरह सब तो करूँगा ही. But the idea is I need to get used to, or at least forward test, not back test, forward test this new strategy that I think I have been able to come up with, and see how it works and fares in the market. I mean, let's see how it does. I'll be using TradingView ka. I'll create a demo account for $1,000, and I'll take somewhere around $20 to $50 ka risk on every single trade, and then I'll see how far I'm able to go in the next, say, 23 days or maybe 1 or 2 months, right? I'm not going to let's see. Basically, I don't want to give up. There is no point in giving up, and I'll take this as an opportunity, because I think I have a feeling कि जो मैं पहले अभी पिछले कुछ महीनों से नहीं कर पाया था, which was to crack the smaller time frame, right? I have a feeling I might be able to crack the small time frame trading as well. And if I'm able to do that, then that's actually good. So every challenge, I hope this challenge as well, every challenge brings you an opportunity to grow and improve. And so yes, this is one of those opportunities. I don't want to lose hope. Losing hope for a day is fine. Now we are back to square one. And I guess when people say, लोग हमेशा भाई जितनी भी पॉडकास्ट देखे थे ना भाई, मैं धीरे धीरे रियलाइज़ हो रहा है जैसे जैसे अपनी जर्नी हो रही है ना, बढ़ रही है. आई रियलाइज हाउ थिंग्स आर एक्चुअली, हाउ ट्रू थिंग्स आर. पीपल व्हेन दे से दीज ट्रेडर्स स्पीक अबाउट थिंग्स, दे हैव सो मेनी ट्रेडर्स हैव सेड, इतने सारे ट्रेडर्स हैव सेड कि you'll become a good trader, a pro trader basically, when you see different cycles of the market, right? When you see different market taking different turns, and for that usually people wait for 5-10 years, right? People take 5 to 10 years to see different cycles in the market. I think I saw the boom, boom in the market, and quite possibly I might get to see reverse trend, which is short term, or maybe more likely short term bullish market, just a pull down. But the idea is I get to see something new. So yeah, that's good. I'll wait, I'll learn. I'll see how much progress I make. I'm not sure मैं अब क्या videos upload करने वाला हूँ. This was just an update video. My focus is mostly going to be on um, what do you call it, academics, yeah, and placements, um, and I'm not quitting finance. I think a video I talked about finance as well. I'm loving finance. Okay, I went to the class yesterday, Friday को. We have 2 classes in a single day, basically 3 hours, 1.5 break होता है बीच में 1.5 घंटे का. But the idea is I went for that class, and well, it's not as tough. Let's just say I'm enjoying it. It's easy. Advanced financial management. I haven't done intro to fin, but I have done a few. I have done some self-studying in finance through Aswad Damodran sir, and so professor. At least, I have forgotten a lot of it, the concepts, but I understand the logic. I understand how different things connect. I'm just able to revise it, and I'm enjoying it. So I think I have a structure as to what I want to do in my 4th year, which is I want to just do 2 concentration in finance, and then concentration in entrepreneurship, for 4 courses. And it looks good because my entrepreneurship courses are going to be data heavy, analysis, Excel, next sem possibly some finance cross-listed entrepreneurship courses as well, and then finance all theory based as well. So I think I'll be able to cover a lot of practical and theoretical finance. Maybe I think I'm liking this structure that I have come up with. I'm liking it. I think I'll enjoy doing this. I'm building strong foundation in finance for myself as well as data analytics, hopefully. Let's see. I'm enjoying the stuff. Let's see. I don't know where I'm going to go with this, bro. This is, I don't like to feel hopeless. I don't like to feel directionless initially, because I thought I was very close to succeeding in the market. Because that is what I felt. I was kind of able to wake up every single day in excitement. I was able to look forward to the day. I was able to look forward to the week. And I didn't really care about anything else in life. But then, things just change, because when I feel like I lose direction when I become hopeless about trading, because for me that's my end goal. That is where I want to reach. Everything else doesn't. They matter, but not as much. So yeah, it's a very long journey. I right now I feel like I have lost something, right? As if I have, I have lost that goal. I understand I still have that goal. I'll be working towards it, but it's not. It's like, I'm pretty sure I'll succeed. It's just very complex. Hope. I don't want to talk about it. Fuck. Anyway, okay. Talked a lot. I'll work. I'm at Choka. Okay, best of luck to me. Placements and shit. I'm enjoying myself, bro. By the way, I'm not sure. I think I made a video a few days ago where I talked about how sad I was, how lonely I was, and shit. But there are a few days. It just happens. Day before yesterday, when I lost hope with the market, I was sad. I was lonely. There are days, there are phases when you're down, when you're sad, when you want to talk to people, when you don't want to talk to people, in fact, but you just don't know how to express yourself. You just sad. There are days when you feel hopeless. There are days when you're sad. Yeah, no other reason. There are days you're sad. And yeah, there were, जो videos मैंने बनाई हैं, and possibly in future as well. I'm happy right now. Okay, I'm loving the life I'm living. I don't give a fuck about most people around me. Reason being, I want to keep my life simple. There are very few people I interact with. I love the people around me, जिनके साथ मैं interact करता हूँ, and yeah, I'm confident in myself, hopefully in my future as well. And do I love myself? I'm not sure. But do I hate myself? Definitely not. I believe I'm not the best version of myself right now. There are days when I hate myself, and that is exactly when I am sad and lonely. But yeah, basically, you just they're just specific days. You sleep on it. You sleep that day. You spend 10 hours, 15 hours sleeping, maybe 8 hours. I don't know.